Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are in real estate and wondering whether Google Ads and PPC are worth the investment, that's what we are going to find out today. I'm sharing a real life case study of how one real estate company generated over 300 plus qualified leads in just 90 days using nothing but PPC and a smart Google Ads strategy. So let's start with it. Our client is a mid-sized real estate agency based in Austin, Texas. They were getting traffic from SEO and referrals, but growth was slow and unpredictable. They came to us wanting faster results, more qualified leads, and ultimately more closings. So we built a PPC system to make this happen. And how did we do it? Step 1. We identified high intent keywords like buy home Austin, move to Austin, and homes for sale near me. Then we broke the campaigns into audience segments. We had one for first time buyers and one for out of state movers and one just for investors. Each segment got its own custom landing page with content and call to actions that spoke directly to the clients. We also set up conversion tracking to capture every form fill, call, and even live chat. And we use smart bidding strategies and weekly A/B testing to keep performance high and cost per lead low. And the results are here. In just 90 days, we saw over 2,500 clicks from serious buyers, a 6.2% click-through rate, 319 qualified leads, a cost per lead of just $18.5, and here's the kicker. They got a 3 times return on ad spend just from these PPC campaigns alone. In the client's own words, we went from getting random website visits to talking with serious buyers every day. These ads changed the game for us. So, if you're thinking about PPC for your real estate business, here are 3 key takeaways. Number 1, don't just target keywords, target intent. Number 2, custom landing pages increase conversions. And number 3, always track your results. What gets measured gets improved. If this sounds like something your business could use, check the link in the description to book a free strategy call with our team. And hey, if you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop any questions in the comments below. We'll be more than happy to answer all your queries. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.